Hello guys and welcome. In this week a lot of things changed and a lot of things happened. I didn't make an update for a couple of weeks and now it's time. And I don't know why, but for me, my dopamine level doesn't hit anymore. It feels like I numbed and I don't know why. When I say a lot of things changed, for my YouTube analytics you will see the growth over the past couple of months, and as well in the technology world a lot of things changed. First, we have a company from China, which is a startup and until now private, which called DeepSeek, who built an AI which is competing against ChatGPT, OpenAI and the whole US market. That means that technology is really advanced, and because it is a startup and I really wanted to invest into them, you have no opportunity. I searched up the whole internet and the only possible ways were to be an angel investor or similar, and I'm not. And I don't know if they will respond to one of my emails. But I think this could be a real big deal and a huge opportunity like Bitcoin in 2009. For Trump and the US market, they don't want to settle back and look what China will develop in the future. So for that reason, they're announcing the Stargate project. It is a project where they will invest around 500 billions over the next couple of years to compete against DeepSeek. So the Stargate project has a lot of big players inside of them. If we just look into it, we have companies like SoftBank, OpenAI, Oracle and MGX included. And as well, we have a couple of technology partners like ARM, Microsoft, Nvidia, Oracle and OpenAI. So for that reason, this will be also a big announcement. And we don't know what will happen in the future, but Trump speak a lot about it and said you have to be focused, and you will hear probably the name Stargate a lot of times in the future. I think this also could be a good chance to invest, but this is not an investment advice, guys. You have to know what you're doing. I think this could be very big because you have big player inside of it and as well a lot of money and investors. Speaking about money, let's dive to my portfolio. I didn't show it for the past couple of weeks. I feel very numb about everything and the whole situation, but I don't stop to invest and continuously start to grow. I'm at the moment at my all-time high, like I mentioned it a couple of times, but the overall performance is insane. It went a couple of weeks ago down and we had a little bit scarcity in the stock market. That doesn't stop now to get the performance back. So as you can see, I didn't put in another investment and my next investment will be next week, so you will be up to date. And right now I am at over $10,329. I have an unrealized profit and loss at $955. Just today was my daily profit and loss around $42. So if we look into my performance, Alphabet made a big win, and as well my MSCI World. It is like continuously growing over the time. Which stock or ETF didn't went that well was my WU ETF. They struggled a little bit because of the scarcity. So a lot of people started to sell their stocks and the market crashed just a little bit. I would even say it's just bounced a little bit down. So right now it's recovering. One thing is sure, I will invest in the next week in WU. I want to build up this strategy and put in on regular basis a little bit of money inside of it. And if we go a little bit down, these are my investments which are going well for the moment, but I have a couple of things to add. And one thing is like there is Pilbara Minerals, which I also want to grow up. I have at the moment around 100 shares of it, but I want to build it up. And as well, maybe I will buy one or two stocks more of Nike. If we go to my watch list, here's one more stock which is on my watch list and it calls Arcadium Lithium. And this is also a stock which I want to buy and grow this position. But I am not all in, guys. I just put in a couple of stocks. I will see in the next week how I feel and invest on a regular basis. I just wanted to give you an update, guys. In the next week, there will be a couple of announcements probably. I changed plans for this year and let you update it. For now, that is all. I just wanted to speak with you about my portfolio, how it looks like, the big news and what will change. And if I'm honest, I think like Trump will do a lot of things for this year. So we will see a big variety in the stock market with a lot of changes, because if people start to get scared, they will sell immediately and it makes great opportunities. And nowadays, AI and the whole market is one of the leader and we should pay attention to that and as well to the whole technology. And if it started to grow and continuously grow, and I'm thinking it will happen in the future, I think as well my lithium stocks will grow if we build more and more electronics and electronic devices and batteries and things like that. So for that reason, stay tuned, guys. This was a short update. See you in the next week with probably big announcement, or I will do another video just for the announcement. And I hope you are as well motivated and stay into the game, because it is a marathon, not a sprint. Thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.